ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanande. I am a physics faculty. Now I will explain for the motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. What is the explanation of motion in a straight line? Means if you any one body, first what is the motion? Motion means if you any one body or particle or whatever, one position to another position is moving, that is called a motion. Without rest, that is called a motion. In a straight line means that particular body is moving in a straightly, that is called a motion in a straight line. If you any body or particle moving in a straight line, that is explained is called a motion in a straight line. If your body is moving from the one position to another position, means what is the explanation? Means in motion in a straight line, first major concept is the distance. What is the explanation of the distance? If you any one body, one point to another point, moving of the path is called a distance. Now suppose here one body having this body position at A, another point B position having one body here to here, going direction is a going of the path is called a distance. Initial point to final point in between of the distance is called a distance. This path is called a distance. But distance is a scalar quantity or vector quantity. Means distance is a scalar quantity. Distance is a only representation of the magnitude only, not a proper direction. But distance is the units is representation of the meter. Same displacement. What is the explanation of the displacement? The displacement is explanation is the shortest distance between of the initial point to final point is called a displacement. Initial point to A is the initial point, B is the final point. Now here number of paths having. This is the first path, second path, third path, fourth. Now displacement is the shortest distance between of initial to final. Shortest distance is the here third path is the shortest distance. The shortest distance is third path. The shortest distance is called a displacement. This is called a displacement. Displacement is a scalar quantity or vector quantity. Means displacement is a vector quantity. What is the displacement of units? Means meter. Now the displacement of the direction having means displacement is a direction having both magnitude and direction is maintain the displacement. Distance is only for the magnitude. If you any one body one position to another position is vary means that time immediately time interval is vary. What is that one means? What is the velocity or speed? First we will discuss speed. Speed is means v is equal to the total distance by total time. One body one position to another position of the how much distance is maintained, the total distance by how much time is taken from the one point to another point, that is called a total time. The change of the distance by time is called a velocity, sorry speed, and velocity is v bar. Total displacement by total time. Taken. Why means because velocity is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means displacement also is vector quantity. One body one point to another point is going time. How much displacement, the total displacement by total time is taken, that is called a velocity. Means change of displacement or variation of the displacement with respect to time, that is called a velocity. Velocity representation of the in vector form dx by dt. This is the velocity. If you now distance, displacement, speed, velocity, after these velocities continuously vary, what happens if your velocities continuously vary means that is called a acceleration. Acceleration is represented A. This is a scalar quantity or vector quantity means this is a vector quantity. Acceleration is equal to the change of the velocity with respect to time is called a acceleration. Change of velocity dv by dt. V is the velocity, this is a vector quantity. Now if your change of velocity means acceleration is equal to v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. The change of the velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity is divided by final time minus initial time. These are the acceleration. These acceleration, how to we can find out the equations of motion. The equations of motion now I will explain. Equations of motion means the acceleration is the first. Acceleration is change of velocity by change of time. Now this dt is converted to left side. A dt is equal to dv. Now integral on both sides. Integral on both means integral A dt is equal integral dv. Here integral is the time of the terminal, acceleration is acceleration is outside. Integral dt is equal to integral dv. Now limits, first one body one position to another position is moving time. The limits is 0 to t. Velocity limits is the initially is u velocity, finally velocity v. A integral dt t limits 0 to t equal to integral dv v limits u and v. Now first upper limits is a t minus 0 is equal to v minus u. Now here left side a into t, at is equal to v minus u. V is equal to the this minus term u plus at. These are the one equation of motion. Next, same this equation 1 based only v equal to u plus at. V means change of displacement with respect to time. V means ds by dt is equal to u plus at. V equal to ds by dt. Now dt is converted right side. ds is equal to u plus at into dt. Now dt is multiplied with ds is equal to u into dt plus at into dt. Now integral on both sides. Integral on both sides. Integral ds is equal to integral u into dt plus integral at into dt. Now distance limits is 0 to s, time limits 0 to t. Time limits 0 to t. Integral ds s, limits 0 to s is equal to u is the common term outside. Integral dt t limits 0 to t plus a is the common term acceleration outside. Integral t dt t square by 2 limits 0 to t. Now upper limit applied, s minus 0, s is equal to the limits t applied, t minus 0 means t ut plus, now t replace t substitution, t square by 2 minus 0 means half a t square. This is the equation 2. Now same another one more equation. The acceleration is equal to change of velocity by with respect to time. Now a equal to dv by dx into dx by dt. dx cancel means remaining a equal to dv by dt only. Now dx by dt is the velocity, a equal to v into dv by dx. Now dx is converted to left side. A dx is equal to the v dv. Now integral on both sides. Integral a dx is equal to the integral v dv. Dx limits 0 to s, g velocity units u to v. Now a is the common term, a is outside. Integral dx means x means 0 to s is equal to integral v dv means v square by 2 limits u to v. Now s substitution means a into s minus 0, s is equal to v square by 2 minus u square by 2. Now 2 is coming to left side means 2as is equal to v square minus u square. This is the third equation. Equations of motions are three equations. One is the v equal to u plus at. Second one is the s equal to ut plus half at square. Third one is the 2as is equal to v square minus u square. These are the equations of motions.